Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment, soft skill development, week 5th, assignment 5th. So the first question is selective perception takes place in a communication cycle wherein the receiver in the communication process selectively sees and hears element of communication based on the receiver's own experience, background and other personal characteristics. So these are the option true and false. So the answer of our first question is a true. Now, the second question is the ability to incorporate feelings into analysis, reasoning, problem solving, and decision making is called emotional facilitation of thoughts. So, these are the options true and false. So, the answer of our second question is a true. Now, the third question is vision realization, plant modernization, and strategy planning are dash strategies. So, these are the option conflict management, negotiating, change management, monitoring. So, the answer of our third question is C, change management. Now the fourth question is intrapersonal messages reflect our entire personality. Thus the study of intrapersonal communication begins with knowing ourselves. So these are the option true and false. So the answer of our fourth question is a, true. Now the fifth question is studies show that we start to develop empathy at the age of dash. So these are the option 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer of our fifth question is a, 2. Now the sixth question is which of the following are the component of intrapersonal communication? So these are the option processing, transmission, feedback, all of the above. So the answer of our sixth question is D, all of the above. Now the seventh question is which part of the limbic system is responsible for the formation of emotional pathways? So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is C, hippocampus. Now the eighth question is which of the following factors has an impact on empathy of a person? So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is D, all of the above. Now the ninth question is that is the basic feature of an intrapersonal communication. So these are the options self concept, expectation, persuasion, no, and negotiation. So the answer of our ninth question is A, self concept. Now the tenth question is which part of the limbic system is called the seat of all passions? So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is the limbic amygdala. Now the 11th question is when a company fails to implement the pay hike, the HR manager based on his experience devises a new formula for the turnaround. This example fit with which of the components of emotional intelligence? So these are the options self awareness, self regulation, motivation, social skills. So the answer of our 11th question is B, self-regulation. Now the 12th question is what are the external factors that can influence organizational change? So these are the option political, environmental, technological, all of the above. So the answer of our 12th question is D, all of the above. Now the 13th question is an emotionally intelligent person remains dash and dash even in stressful situation. So these are the option calm, distressed, distressed, unhappy. So the answer of our 13th question is A, calm, composed. Now the 14th question is rephrasing is a stage which characterizes dash. So these are the option and the answer of our 14th question is B, incorporating the changes, creating and maintaining a new organizational system. Now the 15th question is choose the correct option that characterize emotional facilitation of thoughts to improve EI. So these are the option and the answer of our 15th question is B. Only A and B are true. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.